This chickpea flour cupcake is so good, easy to make and keep you full for longer. For the ingredients, you only need chickpea flour, few spices, yogurt and any vegetable of your choice. No need to rush to the grocery store, just make sure chickpea flour is already in your kitchen pantry. You can keep them in airtight container for 5 to 6 days inside the fridge. Let's make it.